She is called Queen Bey by her fans and has a 3-decade career that has changed the direction of pop music, and it goes beyond hair, makeup, and some brilliant music. She is one of the most significant cultural icons of our time, a cult figure who speaks for a generation. Beyoncé copyright doesn't only loom large in American culture just because of her hits, although her musical accomplishments are staggering. At 28 Grammy wins, she holds the record for most Grammys won by a woman. Beyoncé copyright's ongoing commitment to uplifting and celebrating the Black community has become a key part of her legacy. Beyoncé copyright is the 8th greatest singer of all time, according to Rolling Stone. Beyoncé copyright has brought us brilliance since Destiny's Child dropped No. in 1997, and as the world readies itself for Black is King, a new Lion King-inspired visual album to be released on Disney Plus on July 31. It's clear her power is far from diminishing. In 2014, she topped Time magazine's list of most influential people, and in 2018, BBC Radio 4 Woman's Hour named her music's most powerful woman. Her hits include Formation, If I Were a Boy, Crazy in Love, Baby Boy, and many, many more. In the last decade of her career, Beyoncé copyright has increasingly moved into the political sphere, using the ideologies of writers Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie and Audre Lorde in her music and videos. Her more vociferously outspoken presence in later years has been the subject of both celebration and critique. But whatever camp you fall into, here are 10 reasons why the megastar's 23-year career is socially, politically and culturally critical, and why the singer herself has become a powerful advocate for change. Certainly, here are 10 mind-blowing achievements and facts about Beyoncé copyright. Grammy Awards dominance. Beyoncé copyright has won a total of 28 Grammy Awards, making her the most awarded woman in Grammy history and the second most awarded artist overall. Record-breaking albums. Her self-titled album Beyoncé copyright, 2013, became the fastest-selling album in iTunes history within hours of its release, with over 828,773 copies sold worldwide in just 3 days. Formation World Tour. Beyoncé copyright's Formation World Tour, 2016, became the highest-grossing tour of her career, generating over $256 million and selling over 2.2 million tickets. Cultural impact. In 2018, Beyoncé copyright became the first Black woman to headline the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival, delivering a historic performance that celebrated Black culture and received widespread acclaim. Billboard chart records. Beyoncé copyright holds numerous records on the Billboard charts, including being the first and only artist to have their first 6 studio albums debut at number 1. Philanthropy and activism. Beyoncé copyright is actively involved in philanthropy and activism, including her work with initiatives like Bay Good, which provides support to various causes, and her co-founding of the Survivor Foundation to help Hurricane Katrina victims. Time's most influential people. Beyoncé copyright has been featured on Time magazine's list of the 100 most influential people in the world multiple times, recognizing her impact as an artist and cultural icon. Global humanitarian efforts. She co-founded Chime for Change, a global campaign that advocates for girls' and women's empowerment, and she has supported initiatives such as the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and global disaster relief efforts. Film and television success. Beyoncé copyright has showcased her talent on the big screen, starring in movies like Dreamgirls, 2006, and voicing Nala in the 2019 live-action adaptation of The Lion King. She has also produced and directed her own projects, such as the visual album Black is King. Influence on pop culture. Beyoncé copyright's influence extends beyond her music and performances, as she has inspired a generation of artists and performers with her boundary-pushing creativity, empowering messages, and her ability to create iconic moments in pop culture. These achievements and facts highlight Beyoncé copyright's exceptional career, influence, and dedication to her craft, making her one of the most influential and celebrated artists of our time.